Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. Thank you all for joining on today's video, and I'm going to be talking about today what stock I'm looking to buy first thing in the morning to gain huge profits and probably going to end the trade by Friday. So I'm going to probably hoping to gain around 7 to 10% on this stock, which will boost my portfolio up quite a large sum. And recently, as you can see, I wasn't trading barely at all because I've been lacking a stock to find that would be like a good opportunity like this one. Alright guys, so before I get into the video and I talk about Instagram at the end, so make sure you stay to the end for that. I'd really appreciate if you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. I would really appreciate it a ton. Alright guys, so getting into the video, we're going to be talking about Instagram during the second half of the video, so make sure you stay tuned till the end. Alright, so the stock that I'm looking to trade today, tomorrow, first thing tomorrow, I'm probably going to buy, if it's at a good opportunity to buy, which it probably will, is DRIP right here, DRIP, ticker symbol DRIP. This stock has been on a horizontal pattern for quite a while now. It's been around two and a half months, and the low points of it around $10 of the stock. The low point is around $10 down to like $9.50 would be the lowest point, and right now it just bounced off the support. And what I'm hoping for tomorrow is for it to bounce back down, or I could wait another day if it has to, but I'm pretty sure that tomorrow it's going to bounce back down to the support, and I'm going to buy it at the support, or once it just breaks the EMA line, then I'll probably buy it wherever it is. But I'm just trying to get a good price in it. Oh, sorry. So at around 10, my favorite buying price would be on this one, maybe around $10. But if I have to buy it after it confirms the reversal, that'll be around maybe $11 or a little less than $11. But then the profit margin on this stock is pretty large. Looking at this, it has the potential to, it recently spiked a few times. It spiked a few times to like around $13 right here, $13.30. But if I were to only get out of this maybe around $11.40 or something like that, I'd be extremely happy with this trade. Because profit is profit. So let's say I buy at $10 and sell it at $11.40. That's around a 14% profit margin. But if it doesn't bounce down and I buy it around $10.50, that's still a fantastic 10% profit margin on this stock, which will boost my portfolio up a lot. I'm looking forward to trading this stock. So that's the only stock I really have on my watch list, except for crude oil, which I've been watching for a really long time already and waiting for the reversal. But right now it just keeps consolidating, and going down and keep bouncing down on the support. So I'm just waiting till it breaks above where it just keeps bouncing up and down and going lower and lower. And once it breaks, then I'll probably buy DWT and hopefully gain a return of maybe around, let's say it goes up to maybe $7.70. That's around 10% profit on the stock, which is also fantastic. And it could even be more because the stock can even rebound higher than its resistance. So who knows? But we just have to wait for the trend to go in our direction. So the part that you guys all have been waiting for, and I know you guys are very interested with my very volatile days. This last week I've been trading really furiously, and as you can see, it's been pretty rough. Just kidding, for those who didn't get the joke. But I'll be talking about Instagram right now. Alright, so I literally just started this page today. I had a different page that I started growing on, but I wanted to make a fresh one for you guys for this YouTube channel. And I already started a YouTube channel about growing an Instagram page from 0 to 100,000. So I might link that in the description below if you guys like to check that out. Alright, so this is the investing page on Instagram. It's called Investing Blueprint. I thought of a creative name for it, and I think it'll do really good. But for those who are like, oh, let me help you out, you can follow me. Guys, you don't have to follow me. I'm planning to get some really, like a lot of traffic from viral posts. And I'm going to be using a lot of engagement groups to push my posts to go viral. So if you guys see my first post getting like a few hundred likes, you know I'm really active in the engagement groups. And I'm hoping to get my first post to go viral and get like a few thousand views from them. So that's just what I'm hoping for and I'm working on. And I'm actually planning to grow this page to probably around 100,000 or more. Obviously, I won't stop at 100,000. But I'll keep you guys updated with the posts and how well they're doing. But I might transfer that over to my other YouTube channel that I started about Instagram. So I'll let you guys know about that later on in the week. We'll just see how this goes. And just to let you guys know, I started today literally like 20 minutes ago. And I just wanted to make a fresh start for you guys. And I'm going to be doing videos on this on my other YouTube channel, also updating daily. Or let me know, actually guys, let me know in the comment section below. Do you guys want me to put YouTube in, a different section of Instagram into this channel? Or do you guys want me to do a separate YouTube channel about Instagram? Let me know in the comment section below, because I want to know. I don't want it to be like overcrowded with Instagram and trading stocks, but I also want it to be too boring with just stocks. And if I'm not trading a lot, then I don't want you guys to be bored. So yeah, that's just going to be it for today's video. Let me know, please. And if you guys haven't liked the video yet, I really appreciate if you guys could smash that like button below. I hope I deserved your like, and that'll be it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic week.